Why, hello there. Didn't see you there. I was too busy preparing some fire. Sorry. My apologies. Guys, today, how are you doing? How are you? First of all, how are you? Guys, today, we're gonna be doing a Metro Boomin type beat, okay? But there's a little catch, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to use this sample. I was listening to some Kanye, and I know you guys know the Lift Yourself song, Scoopity Whoop song. I stumbled upon that, and when the song first came out, I only heard about like the this part where he was doing the Scoopity Whoop whatever part, and I didn't really hear the full song. I just saw the memes, so heard the full song, and then I'm like, yo, this sample's dope. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try and turn it into a Metro Boomin type beat. Really hope it could work. But just in case it doesn't, we got, you know what I'm saying, we still got Omnisphere open, ready to do its thing. But yeah, if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like. Join my Discord. I'm not gonna say this again. Yes, I am. I don't know why I keep saying that. Join my Discord, subscribe to the channel, like the video, all that good stuff, and let's get on with this beat. Okay. Alright, so first things first, let's get this beat out of the archive. I think I put it in my 80s samples, even though I don't know if it's an 80s song. Alright, so this is a longer sample, so I gotta be careful when I'm stretching this because, you know, FL Studio might explode at any moment. So let's just open this up in Edison. Let's be safe. Alright, let's look for a loop. Let's find, I don't know. So alright, so it's over here. Alright, forget this stupid sample. Alright, I'm not using this sample. Alright, I want to make a Metro Boomin beat. This is pissing me off. I'm taking way too long. So, we're just going to use Omnisphere. Ambient space BN. Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting a little too hot. God. Hold on a second.
One eternity later.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere, a little something. Hold on. Of course it wants to start clicking as soon as it starts sounding heat, you know what I mean? That's what happens, you know what I'm saying? You gotta pay the price for being this fire, you know? So I'm just gonna do what I can. you know what? This sound is dope as hell right now. So I'm layering this. I don't want to change this at all. I really don't. I don't. Okay, this sounds really dope. Now the hard part is finding a counter melody. That's the only thing. Alright, next is Don't Let Me Down. Why? I'm literally making a masterpiece right now. Can you not? FL, please. Please, cooperate. Please. God. Alright, guys, we got a dope melody right now, okay? Our melody's looking clean. Okay, so all that is left for a Metro Boomin type beat is of course the boom. And what am I referring to, you might ask? That is of course the 808. What other 808 do we use for the Metro Boomin type beat? And that is of course the spins. We're ready to go. We're ready to go. Let's get this 808 pattern going now. Alright, let's get these kicks in there. Let's get these kicks up in there. Guys, I don't even want to get onto the kicks and the snare. The snare and the hi-hats right now, cause I'm afraid this entire computer might just vaporize before my eyes right now. Okay, guys, just wait. All right. All right, now it's time for these hi-hats. All right, let's do these hi-hats. rolls going real quick. All right, snare time. Guys, did I not say this was about to be fire? Hold up. Nah. What did I say? I called it though. But yeah, there we go. Metro Boomin type beat. I'm gonna leave it at there, man. That beat is too nice. All right, that beat is lit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, please. Just like the video. All right, I know you liked it, so just leave a like. Show you liked it. All right, comment. Let me hear what you want to see on the channel, and of course, join the damn Discord. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I know you're not subscribed right now, which is really offending me, and I don't really understand why you would watch my videos without subscribing to me. But whatever. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, and peace.